Once you have a data extraction from your literature review, you've got the gap, you can now write the introduction. And once with the introduction, the next step is to compile the whole activities you have done, synthesize that into a proposal. So from the articulation of the problem, we got a research question. From the research question, we got a research design. And in the research design, you need to expand that to the methodology, which would include the population, the type of intervention, the comparator, and the outcome. That's one framework you could use. And then you are ready to write the full research proposal and a protocol, which will need to include the informed consent form and the participant information sheet to complete that prior to submission for ethics. I hope you will now conclude this and obtain an artifact that you can take away from this workshop. Thank you and good luck with your research.